In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot trade on the Binance app. With just a few straightforward steps, you can efficiently navigate and execute trades using one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms on your mobile device. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open the Binance app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have the app downloaded yet, make sure to do so beforehand and ensure your login details are saved or remembered for easy access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page filled with various options and features designed to help you manage your cryptocurrency activities efficiently. Next, you'll want to tap on the Markets tab. This is where you'll be able to view a wide selection of trading pairs. Trading pairs such as BTC USDT represent the cryptocurrencies you can trade against each other. Search for or scroll through the list to find the pair that meets your investment or trading strategy. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on it. Now, located on the trading pairs page, tap on the trade button. This action will lead you directly into the spot trading page. It's here where you'll conduct the actual buying and selling of your selected cryptocurrencies. Spot trading allows you to buy or sell immediately at the current market price, giving you direct and real-time trading capabilities. At this point, it's time to decide the type of order that fits your trading goal. You'll have the option to choose between a limit, market, or stop limit order. If you're new to these terms, a market order buys or sells at the current price instantly. A limit order allows you to set a price at which you want to buy or sell, and a stop limit order lets you set a stop price that triggers a limit order. Depending on your strategy, choose the one that best suits your needs. Now that you've picked your order type, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to trade. Enter this information carefully and ensure the numbers reflect your intended order. Once you've set the details, you'll see options to either buy or sell. If you are confident with your choices, tap on the respective button to execute your trade. Finally, you can check on the progress and result of your order under the Orders section, specifically under Spot. This tab gives you a complete overview of your active and completed trades, allowing you to track your trading performance and make any adjustments if necessary. And there you have it, you've just completed a spot trade on Binance app. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio using your phone with confidence. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy trading.